Can GoDaddy scan for viruses? Yes, GoDaddy offers services to scan websites for viruses, malware, and security vulnerabilities. These features are typically available through their website security and managed hosting plans. Here's how it works. 1. GoDaddy Website Security. Features. Malware. Scanning automatically scans your website for malware and viruses. Firewall protection blocks malicious traffic before it reaches your site. Automatic malware removal. In some plans, GoDaddy removes detected malware. Plans. Standard, advanced, and premium tiers include different levels of malware scanning and removal frequency. How to use? Purchase a website security plan and connect it to your domain. Scans are typically automated, but you can trigger manual scans through your account dashboard. 2. Managed hosting with security features. Features includes malware scanning as part of managed hosting services. Regular backups help restore clean versions of your website if infected. Who it's for? Users hosting their websites on GoDaddy's managed hosting plans. 3. How to scan for viruses on your GoDaddy website. Access your GoDaddy account. Log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the website security dashboard. Run a malware scan. Select the site you want to scan and click the option to scan for malware or viruses. Review results. The scan report will show if any threats are detected, along with recommendations or options to remove them.